And shove. You make your breaks with sweat and blood. Some they bleed till banks run dry to live again. Another try through the fire and the thunder's blows. We come to see. We have no foes. Sparks do fly and the black smoke boils. Slack burns off onto the soil. First turn down, then turn within. 500 times, then turned again. Luminescence grows higher and higher. We are the steel of the blacksmith's fire. The hottest forge makes strongest steel. Every blow that does not kill creates a blade that's feared by kings. The truest strength, the pounding rings. Though some sleep 10,000 years, they will awake, give wings to fear. There comes a time for every sword to be complete, to leave the forge. First turn down, then turn within. 500 times, then turned again. Innocence grows higher and higher. We are the steel. We are